Hello friends, myself Naimisha Patel from Care Immigration and Visa Services associated with Matrix Immigration and Visa Services from Account and HR Department.
Hi, this is Heta Udeshi from Care Immigration and Visa Services.
Hi, this is Jilu Chauhan from Care Immigration and Visa Services. I am from Visa Department.
Hello, I am Kalpana from Care Immigration Visa Services working as a UK Immigration Advisor.
Hello everyone, I am Shalini Darji working with Care Immigration and Visa Services as a Canada Admission Coordinator.
Hi, I'm Chintan and IELTS trainer at Care Immigration and Visa Services.
Hello everyone, my name is Hani Mehta from Care Immigration and Visa Services as an Assistant Visa Services.
Hello everyone, I am Hina Sheikh from Care Immigration and Visa Services.
Hi, I am Pooja Patel.
Hi, I am Lena Darenu.
We are associated with Care Immigration and Visa Services
as a peer advisor.
And myself Shubhangi Rajput and I have been associated with Care Immigration and Visa Services as a USA Admission Coordinator.
Hello, I am Vishranti, working in Care Immigration and Visa Services, associated with the Matrix Immigration and Visa Services. I am working as a language faculty and enjoying my life here very goodful and cheerfully.
My name is Raju Waghela. હું છેલ્લા 15 વર્ષથી કેર ઇમિગ્રેશન સાથે જોડાયેલો છું.
Hello everyone.
I am Umesh Chawda.
I am Adarsh Dutt and Care Immigration
and Visa Services.
મિત્રો, વેર દ્વેષ ખટરાગના અંધારાને ઓગાળીને પ્રેમ હેત અને આનંદના પ્રકાશથી સુખ શાંતિ સમૃદ્ધિ બની રહે એવી મારી દિલથી શુભકામનાઓ. હેપી દિવાળી, હેપી ન્યૂ યર.
Diwali is a time to celebrate the beginning of New Year. I believe we all should take New Year resolution and work for our ambitions to the sky. I really wish a very happy Diwali to all my dearest students, parents and all those who are watching me. A very happy Diwali and happy New Year. Namaste.
Another year will be over, another year will come. I hope and pray that the lights of Diwali illuminate the new chapter of your life. Happy Diwali and Happy New Year. Thank you.
Wish you happy Diwali and happy New Year. Let this Diwali burn all your bad times, enter in your good times. Thank you.
May all your dreams come true in this year. I wish you a very happy Diwali and Happy New Year. Stay safe, stay happy. Thank you.
I wish you all a very happy Diwali and a prosperous New Year. And I also wish that Ma Lakshmi bestows you all with a lot of wealth and prosperity. And let's hope that this new year transforms us into a world without COVID. Thank you.
On occasion of Diwali, may your life fulfill with dreams and lights of happiness. Happy Diwali and Happy New Year. Thank you.
May this festival of Diyas come up with beautiful beginning, a new hopes and a big dreams. Wishing you a very happy Diwali and Happy New Year. Thank you.
Wishing you a sparkling festival of lights. Happy Diwali.
I wish you the best and next Diwali will be in your dream country. Happy New Year and Happy Diwali.
We wishing you the goodness of this festive season dwells within you and stays throughout the year. We wish you a very blessed Diwali and prosperous New Year. Thank you.
Wishing you a happy Diwali with the shining light and sparkles, blow with the candles and burn all the negativities with the crackers. Wishing you a cheerful and glowing and prosperity. Very very happy New Year and wishing you a happy Diwali. Happy New Year.
મારા કેર પરિવાર તરફથી દિવાળીની શુભકામના. હેપી દિવાળી, હેપી ન્યુ યર, જય માતાજી.
We both are wishing you
Happy Diwali, Happy New Year. Thank you.
I am Bharat Patel, Branch Manager, Care Immigration and Visa Service at the Kalor Branch.
Hello, I am Krishna Jadhav from Care Immigration and Visa Services at Kalor Branch.
Hello, I am Pooja Wade from Care Immigration and Visa Services at Kalor Branch.
નમસ્તે, હું વૈશાલી સોલંકી, કેર ઇમિગ્રેશન એન્ડ વિઝા સર્વિસ કલોલ બ્રાન્ચમાંથી.
હું ચેતન ચૌહાણ, કલોલ બ્રાન્ચ, કેર ઇમિગ્રેશન એન્ડ વિઝા સર્વિસીસ.
The festival of the joy will become more beautiful for you and your family. Wish you happy Diwali and Happy New Year.
May this festival of lights fulfill all your dreams and brings happiness and positivity to your life. Wishing you a very very happy Diwali.
आप सबको दिवाली की ढेर सारी शुभकामनाएं. यह नया साल आपके जीवन में सुख शांति बनी रहे ऐसी मेरी शुभकामनाएं। वंस अगेन हैप्पी दिवाली।
આપ સૌને દિવાળીની હાર્દિક શુભકામના આપું છું. હેપી દિવાળી.
હું દીપાવલીની હાર્દિક શુભકામના આપું છું. આ નવું વર્ષ બધાના માટે શુભ મંગળ રહે. હેપી દિવાળી અને હેપી ન્યૂ યર.
Hey guys, I'm Steffi from coaching department.
Hi, myself Diksha Pathak. I handle visa counseling in CAT Immigration and Visa Services from Mehsana branch.
Hello everyone, this is Jayesh. I'm the faculty of the CAT Immigrations and Visa Services at Mehsana.
Satara working as a visa counselor from CAT Immigration Mehsana branch.
Hello everyone, myself Nilofer Mansoori. I handle reception desk in CAT Immigration and Visa Services from Mehsana branch.
Naam Pankaj.
Hi, I'm Ramji.
I'm wishing you that the bright lights of Diwali guides you through your way out of every streak of trials in this life. So I'm wishing you that all students will get the desired band score. So I'm wishing you very happy Diwali and happy New Year.
दीप जगमगाते रहें, सबके घर झिलमिलाते रहें, साथ हो सब अपने, सब यूं ही मुस्कुराते रहें. हैप्पी दिवाली एंड हैप्पी न्यू ईयर.
May the charm of shimmering diyas and lamps make your Diwali the best Diwali. Wish you a very happy Diwali.
May this Diwali come up with fresh hope with a beautiful beginning to all the students and give illumination for your future. Happy Diwali, happy New Year.
I wish you a very happy New Year and happy Diwali. Thank you.
હું તમને દિવાળી અને નવા વર્ષની શુભકામના પાઠવું છું.
હું તમને દિવાળી અને નવા વર્ષની શુભેચ્છા પાઠવું છું.
मैं निशित कुमार पटेल, एडवाइजर ऑफ केयर इमिग्रेशन एंड वीजा सर्विसेज मेहसाना टीम की ओर से आप सभी को ढेर सारी दिवाली की शुभकामनाएं और एडवांस में आपको हैप्पी न्यू ईयर. केयर इमिग्रेशन मेहसाना के जितने भी स्टूडेंट्स हैं उनको आइल्स में बहुत ही अच्छे बैंड आए, यही शुभकामनाओं के साथ उनका जो स्टडी अब्रॉड डेस्टिनेशन है, चाहे यूएस, कनाडा, ऑस्ट्रेलिया, न्यूजीलैंड, यूके, वो अच्छी से वहां पर एडमिशन ले और वीजा लेके वहां पे पहुंचे. यही शुभकामनाएं हमारी रहेगी उनको 21-22 के लिए. तो वंस अगेन ऑल स्टूडेंट्स, पेरेंट्स एंड ब्रांच ऑफिस और जो भी हमारे रिश्तेदार यहाँ पे जानने वाले हैं मेहसाना में, उन सभी को हमारी तरफ से ढेर सारी दीपावली की शुभकामनाएं.
हैप्पी दिवाली, हैप्पी दिवाली, हैप्पी दिवाली, हैप्पी
मैं निशित कुमार पटेल, एडवाइजर ऑफ केयर इमिग्रेशन एंड वीजा सर्विसेज एंड प्रोपराइटर ऑफ मैट्रिक्स इमिग्रेशन एंड वीजा सर्विसेज. ये कोविड का आपका और हम सबका सेकंड ईयर है. कोविड होने के बावजूद आप लोगों ने, स्टूडेंट्स, पेरेंट्स ने जिस तरीके से केयर इमिग्रेशन वीजा सर्विसेज की अहमदाबाद, कलोल और मेहसाना ब्रांच को सपोर्ट किया और आपने जो ट्रस्ट रखा केयर इमिग्रेशन पे, ऐसा ही ट्रस्ट आप न्यू ईयर में रखेंगे, ऐसी मेरी हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं है आपको, आपके पूरे परिवार को, केयर के पूरी फैमिली को, यानी जो स्टाफ लोग यहाँ पे काम करके गए हैं उनको भी और जो स्टाफ अभी केयर में जॉब कर रहा है उनको भी. नए साल जो आने वाला है, जिसको हम हिंदू कैलेंडर के हिसाब से कहते हैं विक्रम संवत 2078, ये संवत आपके और आपके पूरे फैमिली के लिए आनंदमय, खुशीमय और उसके भी ज़्यादा हेल्थ के रिगार्डिंग आपको कोई परेशानी ना हो. आप नए साल में आपके या आपके बच्चे का जो ड्रीम हो अब्रॉड स्टडी का, चाहे वो यूएस हो, कनाडा हो, ऑस्ट्रेलिया हो, न्यूजीलैंड हो और यूके हो, आप वहाँ पे केयर के थ्रू जाए. बहुत अच्छे अवार्ड्स से अपने पूरे परिवार का नाम रोशन करे हैं. ऐसी ही शुभकामनाओं के साथ मैं निशित पटेल आपको नए साल की ढेर सारी शुभकामनाएं देता हूँ.